old mother. Let's go sing and count today, from 1 to 20 in a fun, bright way. One red balloon goes up so high, floating gently in the sky. 2 red apples rolling round, happy faces on the ground. 3 toy blocks stacked in a row, red, blue, yellow, here we go. 4 bananas smile with glee, swinging from a cartoon tree. 5 teddy bears are sitting tight, waving hands, oh what a sight. 6 little grapes all bounce around, making a funny squishy sound. 7 balls go bounce, 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 across the floor they pounce and bounce. 8 oranges roll with a spin, laughing loud with a juicy grin. 9 gift boxes stacked so high, with ribbons, bows, and a big surprise. 10 watermelons in a row, smiling wide with seeds that glow. 11 crayons draw the sun, yellow, red, so much fun. 12 strawberries say hello, wearing green hats in a row. 13 duckies splash and play, quack, 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 all day. 14 pineapples in a pile, spiky tops and a friendly smile. 15 balloons float in the air with silly giggles everywhere. 16 cherries in a bunch, jumping up with a happy crunch. 17 juice boxes lined up neat, straws and smiles, what a treat. 18 pairs with leafy hats, rolling here and there like that. 19 toys go zoom and spin, cars and dolls with silly grins. 20 lemons in a line, they wink and say we're feeling fine. Oh, oh.
And don't forget to click the subscribe button!
And tap the bell so you never miss a video.